Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel iLogs, which is all about vision and eye care. So today we're going to talk about a topic called as amblyopia and what we do to treat amblyopia. So as we know, there are various modalities of treatment available for amblyopia these days, which is called as lazy eye. First, we have to understand what exactly is lazy eye. So can you enlighten us about it?
So, lazy eye is a condition where we try to give spectacle power to the children or to an adult, and in spite of giving the best spectacle power, they can't read the second last line or the last line. But the rest of the eye, when we examine, is completely normal, and that's a condition called amblyopia or a lazy eye.
So what we are trying to say is that the structurally the eye may be normal, but the connection to the brain in terms of sending the visual feedback when they look at the chart is not that correct.
Perfect. So, when we examine the eye, the front part of the eye, which is the cornea, पीछे का part जिसे हम retina या पर्दा कहते हैं, everything is normal. And when the patient still can't read, we call it a lazy eye. So, previously, if you remember that what we used to tell our patients was patching. So, I used to tell हर बच्चे को बताते थे कि एक आंख पे पट्टी लगानी, then दूसरी आंख पे पट्टी लगानी, either you wear glasses or whatever. But 3 hours continuous was never followed by our patients. Either they give up or the parents give up, and ultimately everybody gives up, and the story is where it is.
I feel essentially it's difficult for patching to be done very sincerely because nowadays all these children have their schedules which are very demanding. So they barely have enough time to dedicate, and patching requires a non-stop 3-hour activity. And most of the parents or the children do not know what kind of activities to be done at that time. So sometimes parents just make the child wear the patch and they're either watching TV or they're looking at something nearby. It's a mixture of activities, but not really directed activity, which is causing the patching to take proper effect. And the child will cry, remove the patch, and try to look from the corner of the patch. Many problems arise. So, what is the solution to this? Do we have something new that has come up for amblyopia treatment?
So that's what I was trying to say, that recently we've got something called as Revital Vision, and this is the latest for lazy eye treatment.
Okay. So, among all the modalities that are there out there in the market for treatment of amblyopia, we have Revital Vision with us. What is the benefit of Revital Vision over patching? And what is the benefit of Revital Vision to the patient who is going to start this treatment?
So the beauty of this whole system or the treatment is you can do it at your house, and two, it is at your convenience. So the treatment is hardly 15 to 30 minutes. It's between the patient and the computer, and it's for a kid, it's like a game on the computer. So I've realized that the number of patients I've given till now, they are extremely happy. They are voluntarily doing it. In fact, they want to tell their parents that my exercise is remaining. So one hurdle of the child not wanting to do the exercise is overcome. So this is what I have found. And two, it's a simple thing. You need a 14-inch computer, and then we tell the patient that instructions will be given, and you follow the instructions between the child, the computer, and the mouse. So they either right click or left click, and the whole exercise goes ahead. So I would like you to tell the audience as to little more in depth about this exercise, what the child will actually face, and how the child will benefit, and how long is the treatment.
So, this was all about Revital Vision, a modality that is designed specifically to make sure that amblyopia or lazy eye can be given the best possible treatment choice so that your eye can perform a little better. We are not saying that lazy eye or amblyopia can be treated completely and a guaranteed vision improvement. That is not possible with any modality or any surgery. But we have seen certain definite cases of improvement, which is far better than patching. Of course, patching remains a primary modality in younger patients because it's difficult to explain a computer exercise to much younger kids. But in children who have not been benefiting so much with patching or are finding that difficult or resisting it, this is a better modality to explore. And to know more about this, please visit us at Dr. Institute or you can give us a call and we can help you out with this. We will guide you through the entire treatment process and we will guide you through the entire session. There is online support available throughout each session if needed. So please explore this option and don't let lazy eyes get the better of you. Thank you.